The leader of the No Effing Around coalition is heading to federal prison for 7 years. The sentence for Grandmaster Jay stems from him pointing a rifle at a federal officer. And as
WDRB's Jalen Level explains, it may be meant to send a larger message.
Faith leaders, activists, and several others packed the steps of the federal courthouse for John Johnson, better known as Grandmaster Jay.
Mercy, that he would grant grace, and that he would grant justice, and complete freedom, exoneration for Grandmaster Jay.
That was the hope, just hours before Johnson's sentencing. In May, a federal jury convicted the leader of the black militia group on 2 counts of assaulting a federal task force officer and brandishing a firearm during the Breonna Taylor protest in 2020.
He would not have been here in the first place had that warrant not been alive. So now you have to do right by justice, because if you know you found alive, then you got to free up the people that was persuaded by the lie.
Wednesday, Johnson was sentenced to 86 months in prison. The judge dismissed the first count of assaulting a federal task force officer, which would have brought a higher sentence of up to 20 years.
I believe that this sentence is a reflection of the federal judiciary beginning to send a message, and it starts with Jan 6.
While this case does not relate to the January 6th insurrection, legal expert Larry Wilder says he believes the sentence for Johnson coincides with federal judges cracking down after January 6th.
I think it's a kind of a don't bring your guns. You know, I truly think that the judges are sentencing people, and the message is don't become violent. Don't be in a place where violence can become it becomes incendiary.
Just moments after Johnson was sentenced, the same protesters returned to the steps with a different message.
A miscarriage of justice in Louisville, the Commonwealth of Kentucky, has taken place. And quite frankly, it's an embarrassment to all of our humanity.
Now, Johnson was facing up to 27 years in prison. The 7 years he received is slightly more than the minimum time allowed under federal law. Jalen Level, WDRB News.